Monique from YouTube wanted to know what the addendum or disclosure that has to be given under the Tenants Protection Act for single family homeowners that rent out property. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok. Please send me your comments and questions in the comments and I'll try to answer them. In this case, Monique, what she's referring to, folks, is the exemption for landlords that just own single family residences or condos. In legalese, it's any unit that's separate and alienable from any other dwelling unit. So basically, you got one dwelling unit per deed, so no multifamily plexes. Landlords get an exemption under the Tenants Protection Act from eviction and rent control under the Tenants Protection Act if they basically have one dwelling unit. They are neither a real estate investment trust or a REIT, a limited liability company that has a corporation as a member, or a corporation. And starting as of this year, mobile home management, because the Tenants Protection Act also covers mobile homes as well too. So if you have that, now starting in July 1st, 2020, landlords were required to provide this exemption within their lease agreement. And if you don't have this provision in your lease agreement, you will have to obtain that disclosure before you can terminate your tenancy without listing just cause on it. So this is why it's important to get that exemption. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the exact disclosure from the civil code that you can just post on a piece of paper, add it as an addendum to your lease, and just have you and your tenants acknowledge that the disclosure is in the lease and you should be exempt from the Tenants Protection Act. Folks, if you have questions, please feel free to send them and we'll try to answer your questions below. Thanks.